Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Temperature Monitoring and Controlling through GSM using Arduino Nano. So here you can use Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega. That is your requirement. Arduino Nano we are using GSM SIM 800L. So RX TX those are connected with 0 and 1. LM35 temperature sensor it is connected with the A0. 16 cross 2 LCD display it is connected with 7 8 9 10 11 12 digital input output pins. So driver AC and cooling fan 6th pin, and relay it is connected to the 5th pin, and A1 A2 A3 those are connected with the switch buttons to set the temperature set point, increment decrement exit button, set button. So here we are using Arduino Nano board we are using, and here D0 to D7 and A0 to A5, A0 to A7, 0 to D0 to D13. So RX TX. So here we are using Arduino Nano board. Okay, Arduino Nano board, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. So power supply, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. Max 232 board, GSM SIM 800L we are using. So here you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone SIM card. So 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card you can use. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. Max 232 board. Relay coil and heater. So LM35 temperature sensor. Here 3 push buttons are there: increment, decrement and set button. So BC5437 transistor and cooling fan. Now I am going to give the power supply. Okay, initializing GSM modem. Okay, so set temperature set point. Okay, so now temperature set point is 0. So increment every 5 degree. So we are incrementing 5 degree. Increment button 10. Now actually the room temperature may be 25 or 30 35, I think so. So we are set the set point is 45 degrees or 50 degree. Maybe room temperature 30 or 35 in between. So we set the temperature set point is 45. So this is decrement button. 5 degree it will decrease. Okay, now this is set button. So temperature set point is 45. So now temperature is 33. Okay, so temperature set point is 33. So we need to on the heater. Okay, so we need to send the SMS as per the requirement. So we need to send one SMS to this GSM modem to heater on. Hash capital S dot heater on, HEATER, heater on. So owner will on the heater. Okay, heater on. Yeah, heater is on. Okay, heater is on. Okay, now temperature set point is 33 degree. So now temperature here, the temperature sensor, heater temperature sensor, temperature is 35. So 33 34, it will gradually take the temperature sensor, temperature sensing. Okay, 37. LCD display, cooling fan, heater, temperature sensor and set points, GSM SIM 800L. Okay, so now we will receive one SMS also. So heater on success. Okay, So now I am going to give the temperature increasing. Okay, now I am going to increase the temperature 58. Okay, yeah, cooling fan is on. Cooling fan is on. Temperature goes to 57. So additionally I am providing some external temperature to stop the heater. Over temperature alert. Temperature is 58 degree. So now temperature is goes on decreasing. Okay, now temperature is goes on decreasing. Now you can send the SMS to the on motor heater on. The heater will on. So here power supply board, Max 232 board, GSM SIM 800L. You can use Airtel 2G, 3G, 4G, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, relay coil, heater, temperature sensor, cooling fan, set points, increment, decrement, exit, and LCD display. So now I am going to show you once again. Okay, so remove the power supply, and here remove the power, on the power, temperature monitoring and controlling through GSM using Arduino Nano. Initializing GSM modem. Initialized successfully. Send SMS to heater on. So now temperature set point. So now if you want to decrement it, it won't enter into minus. So compulsory 55 degree you need to increase. Actually the temperature is room temperature is 30, 33, 34. So now we are going to increment. Okay, 45. Okay, 45 degree. Otherwise you can set it to 40 also as per your requirement. So I set it to 50. Okay, 50. Okay, now you have to give set. Temperature set point is 50. So room temperature is 35. So owner should on the, okay, hash capital S dot heater on. Okay, heater on. Okay, heater is on. Okay, sending SMS. SMS sent. Temperature is 36 degree, 37. Okay, so heater on, success. Okay, so now I'm going to give additional. So 50 degree it won't come, so we will get the SMS alert purpose 58, 63. Okay, 63 temperature. So yeah, temperature is 63. Okay, temperature alert over temperature 63. Cooling fan is on. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.